My name is Ariadna Guiteras and I live and work in Barcelona, Spain.
So I work mainly with performance as a starting point to also approach installation, also a bit of tech, voice, text. During my residency at Gasworks, I've been exploring the idea of the body, of the medium at the end of the 19th century. In the case of the mediums, there is something that I find particularly interesting or that resonates to me in the performance practice, and that is that they would embody actually lots of voices, but also both female and male spirits. This allows me to understand their bodies, but also my own medium, which is the body, as an open source site. So in Gasworks I'm also exploring or trying with open source software and also hardware, and I am building some sort of tactile installation in which I play a little bit with words, so you will find spirits that are infusing, and at the same time they are you can activate something, maybe a vibration, maybe a sound by touching it. So more or less, yeah, this is where am I now at Gasworks.